As you enter this welcoming home, you take in the view straight out to the inviting pool and immediately notice how incredibly clean and well kept this home is. The popular Oakmont floor plan is open, inviting, brings in lots of natural light and features a great room concept. There are 3 large bedrooms plus a bonus room. The primary suite offers the ultimate bathroom with separate his and her areas. The Lakes A Tradition is a master-planned community, built by Divosta, one of Florida's most respected builders. With the tree-lined streets, gorgeous tropical preserves, and many lakes, this is a wonderful community to enjoy the outdoors and exercise. From the amenity-rich clubhouse to the numerous events and entertainment, Tradition has something for everyone to enjoy.